We are showing you this house and lot for sale located here inside the secured subdivision in Angeles City, Pampanga. This is near Clark and Friendship. Let's check it out. Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go.
This property has a lot area of 185 square meters, floor area of 265 square meters, 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, living, dining and kitchen, service kitchen, balcony, and 2 carport. Priced at 16.9 million pesos. Contact us for viewing.
So guys, as we can see, the facade of the house, very clean design. We have these dark gates and this lightly colored fence, and the house itself is neutral color. So napakaganda sa mata. We have this driveway right here na pebbled, greenery in front. And I like this slats, very secured pero may ventilation pa rin tayo. The air can easily flow in and out. Let's enter through the pedestrian gate. Upon entry, guys, you will see this tiled walkway going to your front door. On this side, we have this tiled setback na may greenery until doon sa likod. We can access the back of the house through this. Okay? The side profile of the house, very nice. Meron tayong parang stone design dyan. And on this side, we have this 1 to 2 carport right here. Depende sa size ng vehicle nyo. High ceiling. We have this gate right here. Meron tayong electricity dito if you need it for your vacuum. Napakaganda. Okay? So, let's enter the house. We have this solid wooden door right here. And once we enter, guys, you will be greeted by this double height ceiling dito sa ating living area. Okay? High ceiling, very nice chandelier. We have this wood design sa ating accent wall right here. Tapos, kung mapapansin nyo guys, napakadaming windows. Kaya naman, very bright and airy yung bahay. Living area right here, you have your couches, your center table, and under the stairs, we have storage. Dito. Okay? Now, very clean lang yung tile na choice nila, oh. White. Okay? Dining area right here, we have this 8-seater dining table, wood top dining table, metal ang ating feet. Very nice. Pendant light right there. Air conditioning are installed. More windows right here. Tapos dito, meron tayong sliding door that leads to the side of the house. Ayan. Tiled din yung side of the house natin. Okay. Now, going through here, we have this very neat kitchen setup. Tapos, I like the way, guys. First ko na notice, I like the way na glass siya. So, you can see what's inside. So, para wala tayong nami-miss out ng mga hindi tayo na-expirean, di ba? Yun yung naisip ko. So, very nice storage. We have this countertop, our sink, tas may window right there. Your range will go right here. Refrigerator will go right here. We have this bar, counter, na meron siyang mga storage dito, drawers for your cutleries and other stuffs. And this cabinet right here will be your pantry. Very convenient and accessible. Now this door leads out to the side of the house. Katulad kanina, para makita nyo yung layout, guys. That's the carport. Then tiled siya dito hanggang sa likod. You have your laundry area and your daily kitchen over there. Okay? Very nice. Let's go back in and appreciate from that angle the kitchen, the dining, and the living area. Okay, now, on the ground floor, we have a powder room right here that has a sink and your toilet. Plus a big mirror. So perfect if you have guests. This is accessible. And then, what I like about this house, meron siyang bedroom sa ground floor. So if you have elderly or someone ayaw umakyat baba, we have this bedroom on the ground floor. Bed is right here. We have windows. Yan, sa ano natin. Both sides dito may window. Air conditioning is installed. Built-in closets are available right here. Meron tayong mga racks and shelves, plus drawers underneath. Okay? Plus, it has its own toilet and bath. That is, by the way, very neatly designed. Ang ganda ng choice ng tiling. Meron tayong sink, toilet, and partially enclosed shower with Panasonic water heater. We have a window for ventilation and natural light. Rainfall shower head. Very nice. Okay, plus nakita natin guys, nag-transition from the plain tiling outside to the wood design tiling sa bedroom. Okay? Quick break mga ka-house tour. I would like to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for watching, liking, and sharing our videos. We recently hit 3,000 subscribers here on YouTube, 43,000 on TikTok, and 11,000 on Facebook. And if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. It helps us find the next homeowner from Live Realty. And also, I'd like to thank ModuPro for sponsoring this video. If you need quality and reasonably priced modulars like this one, contact ModuPro. Thanks! So from here, we go up. Wooden steps, wooden handrail with metal support. Mid-landing, we have a large window right here. So much light, no? Step up some more. And upon landing, we have this hallway that is, by the way, has a very nice view of your living area. Alam mo, naiisip ko dito, parang itong area na to, at least, parang mga cabin sa Baguio City. Ang ganda, no? Okay, now, hallway that leads to the bedrooms. Okay, so bedroom number 1, very spacious. Okay, bed is right here. We have outlets on both sides. Air conditioning installed, and I noticed that the ceiling, even on the second floor, is very high. So, parang mas malawak siya tingnan. This area can have a console right here, a desk or a vanity, plus cabinets are installed. Meron tayong racks, shelves, and drawers dyan, and own bathroom. So similar to the one downstairs, we have sink, toilet, and a partially enclosed shower with rainfall shower head and window for natural light and ventilation. Ang ganda, malawak siya. The next door is the second bedroom. Bed is right here. We have outlets, abundant outlets, nandyan. Big windows, cabinets are installed. Diba? Ang ganda ng ganito kasi mostly mga damit mo lang yung dadalhin mo. Matitirahan na talaga siya. Own bathroom with sink, toilet, and partially enclosed shower, rainfall shower head, and of course your window for your ventilation. Air conditioning installed. Carrier ang brand. Okay? From here, we go through the hallway. Guys, so from here, you can already see the neighborhood. Daming greens. Very nice houses, di ba? Sa mga neighbors natin. And may blinds na rin palang installed If it gets too hot, di ba, pwede natin ibaba yung mga blinds natin. Now, let's go to the master. And wow! First thing that I noticed is this wood headboard accent dito sa ating wall. Very nice. This is real wood, by the way, guys. Bed is right here. Big bed. Side tables on both sides. Outlets on both sides. We have the side window with air conditioning. Cove lighting. Ang ganda. We have a console right here for your television if you want. Another space right here if you want a personal refrigerator or, you know, a vanity. Pwede dyan. We check the walk-in and the master bathroom. So, closet space, dami for your outfits, di ba? For your clothes, your bags, pwede dito. And a spacious master bathroom that has a sink, a toilet, and enclosed shower. Ito, napakalawak, guys. So, for reference, rainfall shower head, may water heater tayo, we have a window, and very nice and neat tiling right here. Plus, I noticed that the door is glass, di ba? So, may natural light pa rin magpa-pass through. But you have your privacy. Okay? So now, let's do the recap.
This property has a lot area of 185 square meters, floor area of 265 square meters, 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, living, dining and kitchen, service kitchen, balcony, and 2 carport. Priced at 16.9 million pesos. Contact us for viewing.
Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate every like, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty. Together with our director, Ken, we hope to help you find your next property. Until next time, God bless. Bye.